Hey there, Luke with Canix here. Today we're going to be covering an exciting new update to batch templates in Canix. Batch templates have been updated to include bill of material select, source cannabis select, more control over your output items, and a cleaner experience overall when setting up your batch templates. I'm here in Canix in our manufacturing module in the batches section in the batch templates tab here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new batch from scratch. Let's call this one Blueberry Fort Green Gummy, since we'll be creating this output item in this batch. Once we've set up our new batch, we can see we have more details associated at the home page of each batch for us to view. This is a blank batch so far. I haven't added any runs just yet, but we have run details, the bill of material associated, and the inputs we are using and the outputs we are creating all from the table. I'm going to go ahead and add one run here. Let's say this is the Blueberry Gummy run. And now we'll be able to select a bill of material to associate with our run and our batch for quick setup and recipe use. In this case, we'll be using that Blueberry Fort Green Gummy. And once selected, we see Canix already pre-fills with all of the details associated with that bill of material. On the bill of material, we've delineated we're making this output item of these blueberry gummies. We're using distillate as our source. And from the bill of material, we pull all of the non-cannabis ingredients that have been delineated across sugar, bags, gloves, etc. Once we start updating our quantities here, Canix will automatically update your estimated non-cannabis inputs proportionally. We can see that these updated once I went to 100 each. I need 25 grams of sugar, etc. We also have additional run settings available for selection across run type, which is now optional, location, number of labor hours, and notes. Once we submit and add this run to the template, it has been added to our batch template of the blueberry gummy. Make sure we save it. And now here we'll be able to see on run one, this is the name of our run. We can click in to edit if we need to and customize. We have our bill of material hyperlinked if we ever need to click in and see where is this data pulling from. And then we have all of our inputs and our output associated. We can quickly remove these if we need to, quickly add another run, and delete these templates if we need. Now we can go ahead and use this template in action in a new batch. So let's say we're going back to our batches page here in Canix, create new batch. We'll do 01 17 25 blueberry gummies. And from our template, we'll search for this new Blueberry Fort Green Gummy template. And once created, we'll see Canix sets this up successfully with the run details that we entered on the template. So this should be as quick as possible to set up all of the recipe quantity that you need for your batches and your production to get these pre-filled in Canix and get that output created in your software. I hope that this update to batch templates is helpful to you and your operation, and thank you for watching.